Property, plant, and equipment, PPE, are tangible, long-term assets that a company uses in its operations to produce goods or provide services. Examples include buildings, machinery, vehicles, and land. PPE is a critical component of a company's balance sheet, and its accounting follows specific standards to ensure accurate financial reporting. Initial recognition of PPE occurs when it is probable that future economic benefits associated with the asset will flow to the entity, and the cost can be reliably measured. PPE is initially recorded at its cost, which includes the purchase price, import duties, non-refundable taxes, and any directly attributable costs to bring the asset to its intended use, such as delivery, installation, and testing. After initial recognition, companies can choose either the cost model or the revaluation model for subsequent measurement. Cost model. PPE is carried at cost less accumulated depreciation and any impairment losses. Revaluation model. PPE is carried at a revalued amount, being its fair value at the date of revaluation less subsequent depreciation and impairment losses. Revaluations must be performed regularly to ensure the carrying amount does not differ materially from fair value. Depreciation systematically allocates the asset's cost, or revalued amount, over its useful life, reflecting the pattern in which the asset's economic benefits are consumed. Land is not depreciated as it generally has an indefinite useful life. The depreciation method and useful life are reviewed at least annually. Changes are accounted for prospectively. Impairment reviews are conducted to assess whether the carrying amount of PPE exceeds its recoverable amount. If so, an impairment loss is recognized. Derecognition of PPE occurs upon disposal, or when no future economic benefits are expected from its use or disposal. The gain or loss on derecognition is the difference between the net disposal proceeds and the carrying amount of the asset, recognized in profit or loss. Accurate PPE accounting ensures reliable reporting of a company's financial position and performance, supporting better decision-making for management and stakeholders.